Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use NFT wallet on Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a Zengo application or your Zengo wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now together, let's go ahead and admire the Zengo user interface, which is pretty much the best I've ever seen because it allows you to navigate the features really easily. It also has dynamic icons representing diverse features that allows you to or that allow you to optimize your experience on Zengo. Well, another way, let's hop into today's status is how to use NFT wallet on Zengo wallet. So from this home page, you're going to check the top of your screen, just right there where you have main wallet, and then under it you're gonna see tokens and you're gonna see NFTs. So tokens, this is actually the tokens window. Everything within the tokens window you're going to find it here. But then if you want to use NFT, go ahead and click on the NFT tab and we're going to take you to this NFT window. Now it says your NFT gallery is empty, which is actually true, and say, are you storing NFT in the standard wallet? Then upgrade their security and move them to Zengo. Now tab below to get started. So if you want to get started, if you want to receive an NFT, go ahead and click on this receive button. Now go ahead and of course scan your wallet. If you want to, go ahead and scan that your NFT wallet. Go ahead and use that code or the address that you're gonna get. So go ahead and give it to the person that wants to send NFT, they want to receive NFT from, and you're going to be able to scan that code and send NFTs to you, which will definitely appear right here in your NFT gallery. Or if you want to connect, right, if you don't want to receive, you want to connect, click on this connect button. And once you click on this connect button, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have a scanner. Now in that scanner, you can now scan any NFT wallet that you want to connect with, so that you can receive the NFT tokens. All right, so click on this connect to use the scanner to scan an NFT wallet, so that can be connected into your or connected to your Zengo wallet, and then click on this receive to get your own code and you send it to whoever to actually scan that code, so that you'll be able to receive NFT tokens. So that's pretty much how you can use NFT wallet on the Zengo wallet. Now even in this NFT tab, you can check the bottom of your screen and click on history. Once you click on history, you'll be able to find your history, see your transactions, and you find your NFT transaction histories right here. NFT transaction history right here in this history tab. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.